So hey guys, I know it's like extremely hard to see right here, but you guys were having problems with that motor light, and I want to show you what's going on with it. You can see we've been cleaning stuff. I've actually had it on the job site for about 10 hours, and I discovered right here, I know it's a little hard to see guys, but I'm trying my best. So when you have a motor malfunction, it's because of this QBH. You'll notice that this is in the locked position. Okay, that's locked. When it came to me, you guys had it, I'm trying to get it back there. Y'all had it like that, where the gap was here. So you'll notice, and then there's two little screws here, right? So if I do this real quick, if I open this up real quick, and I loosen it just a little bit, you're gonna see, we're gonna go out there. It makes this come loose just a little bit, and just enough to have a motor malfunction. Can't get it loose, give me a second. Because these screws weren't all the way in as well, which tells me somebody was messing with this. You should never touch this unless you've had training by myself or the manufacturer. The only reason you should be touching this is to change out the safety lenses. So this was basically like this. Can't even get it out now because I put it in there so good. But even with that, you should see a motor. Not yet. So it was just slightly out. I'm trying to get it to the function that it was, because this was all the way up like that. There we go. And then this was slightly pulled out. Okay, it was like that. So see that little bit difference? That's what was happening. So now if we come over here, you're gonna see, if I turn it on and off, as soon as I try to pull the trigger, you'll have a motor malfunction. So let me come over here and show you. If I turn it on, see? Motor. Nothing, see? Nothing. Now, you can hear it coming on, but sometimes the light won't turn red. But when you do that and it doesn't work, it's because this QBH is slightly out. So now if I put it in there, sorry, the video cut off. So now you can see I have this gap, right? Hopefully you guys can see it. The gap is all the way open. That's the lock position. This screw is tightened. This screw is tightened, okay? And so when I've already got it turned on, it's really hard to see guys, but you can see the motor is green. And I've got my two buttons turned on. If I open up my safety cap, you can see totally works. So it's the small things when it comes to the laser machine that makes a huge difference. There was a spike ring across here that this should never be tightened where you can't get to it to check this. As a matter of fact, this is an extra piece that came with it. You guys should have only had it to right here. This, when you're working with it, should always be exposed, because from time to time this just loosens up. These won't come undone, but this will. And if this does, then you'll have that motor malfunction. And you also need to be able to check your water lines from time to time. So I hope that helps. The machine is running perfect. We got the chassis straightened out, so you guys shouldn't have any more issues with it.